people want to speak, some people want to say many things, but they don't have that courage. Yes guys, while speaking in front of people, because what we think that if we speak in front of people and we make any error, it will impact on us. I can speak with them 24 hours all day, but even though I feel hesitate. So there are some solution I want to say for you, and I applied to overcome my fear, and it also helped me. So I thought, why don't I share with you? Hi guys, this is me Vishal, and today I'm just say why you feel, and most of the people feel hesitate while speaking in front of people. Yes guys, while speaking in front of people, because what we think that if we speak in front of people and we make any error, it will impact on us. Yeah, we think like that, na? Yes, that is what we think. But the major thing is that we forget that it is just a language. If we don't speak, then how we can be fluent? How we can be fluent? So we have to keep in our minds. So to be honest guys, I don't wanna say lie. Whenever I try to speak in front of people, I also feel hesitate, because not that my English is wrong, my English is broken English. Yeah, I can convey my every thoughts, I can speak with them 24 hours all day, but even though I feel hesitate, then you feel that when a new learner or you are trying to speak something in front of people with broken English, what will be the feelings? Yeah, I can feel it, and you know that whoever is the new learner can relate with me, because it happens when they learn something, they try to speak, but because of hesitation, because of fear, they don't want to speak, they just skip it. Yes, it happens. So most of the time we skip, because not that we don't know about the sentence, about the grammar, about the structures. We skip because our mind do not take it seriously, or our mind skip it. Our mind skips it because we feel tired to speak in front of people, and most of the time they will judge us. It will our thinking. So where I was, this is our thinking. That is the reason we feel hesitate. So there are some solution I want to say for you, and I applied to overcome my fear, and it also helped me. So I thought, why don't I share with you? Okay, there are 4 steps or 4 solution you can take it. Solution number 1, learn small sentences, or try to memorize all of them. Like, what are you doing? Where are you going? What should I do? Okay, tell me. Yeah, I'm all ears. Like this way, you have to learn some small phrases or words or sentences, so that you can speak with them. Okay, in front of people, in front of them. So you will give a signal to them, whoever close to you, or who turns to whoever you try to give a signal, that or also, and your mind also get a signal that yeah, it's time to speak, because you will get something. You can speak in front of people. Like small sentences can build your first step. So this is that what I wanted to say. When you will try to speak small sentences, it will give your mind a signal, very hard signal, that yeah, it's time to speak, it's time to speak in front of people, and you will get a motivation, you will get a courage. Okay, and number 2, you have to make a 1-minute video every day. Yes guys, it will also make your feelings or fear go away. Okay, because I want to say that whenever you will make a video, you will get many things. You will get many things, how to speak, how to in front of camera, how to everything. So it helps us, because I am since you can see me that I am recording too. So it actually helped me a lot. So you have to record at least 1-minute video every day with consistency. It will help you. The third thing I want to say, that whenever you have a right person, your friends, your family, your brother, cousin, whoever is, okay, whenever you have the time and you think that he is right person for me, I can speak in front of them or in front of him whatever it is broken or whatever it is, so speak with them whatever you can. I speak with my actually my friend, he doesn't know anything about English, he knows a little bit, he speak with me and I just try to correct with them, and I just listen to him, he convey his thought and I just get him, it's okay. He's improving, I know, but I'm not try to. So whenever you try to you try to means you get a time and you know that yeah, he's right person, then must speak, don't skip it. Okay, these are the tips I want to say you. So this is a short video, so see you in another video. If anyone helps you, comment down below.